Okay, we're going to talk about Materials Advanced. And we're in the Asset View within the MA tab, which stands for Materials Advanced. Again, we are working within the classic render mode within Vizrt T5. And simply put, Materials Advanced is a combination of an image and a material. So here you can see that I have an MA or a Materials Advanced already set up, and what I'm going to do is just drag that up into or onto my container, my cube container here. And I'm going to scale my cube up a bit, and I'm going to rotate this around to see what's happening here. This is our Materials Advanced, and it's a little icon, and when I come up and right click on here, I have the option to split Material Advanced. And what that does is show you the image that is used and also the material that we are using. So if I want to find that image, I can click on it and I come out into the properties editor here. First, you have all of your properties here that we can change. So if I want to change the scaling of this a little bit, I can change it on that image. I have the option to change my mapping to vertex, linear, reflection, spherical, whichever I want, I can change that. If I want to switch out an image, I just come over to my images here, search for a new image, select an image that you want to use, and we'll just slide this up here, and now it creates a whole new image. And again, you can click on your texture or your image and come over to the settings and change this to whatever you would need for it. Likewise, you can swap out the material as well. If you come into your materials and find a material that you want to use, if you want to swap that out as well, you can. At any time, once you're ready to save this Material Advanced, let's say we like this and we want to save it, we can right click again and we can merge to Material Advanced, and you've just created a brand new Material Advanced. Next step would be to save it, so we just select the folder where we want it to go. For instance, we are in our asset view and we want to save it to our globals folder. We have the MA tab highlighted. We just take this icon and slide it down into that window. We give it a new name. We hit enter or OK, and here is our material. We can at any time take that Material Advanced off of our container by dragging it to the trash and then just reapplying that Material Advanced by dragging it on there, right clicking and split Material Advanced, and now you have access to change those settings again. So that's the Materials Advanced.